بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
قاف والقرآن المجيد.
By the oath of the glorious Quran,
بل عجبوا أن جاءهم منذر منهم فقال الكافرون هذا شيء عجيب.
rather, they were shocked that a warner came to them from amongst them. So the disbelievers said, "This is something strange.
أَإِذَا مِتْنَا وَكُنَّا تُرَابًا ذَلِكَ رَجْعٌ بَعِيدٌ."
What? When we die and will be turned into dust, will we be raised again? This return is far from our understanding.
قَدْ عَلِمْنَا مَا تَنقُصُ الْأَرْضُ مِنْهُمْ وَعِندَنَا كِتَابٌ حَفِيظٌ.
We know whatever the earth reduces from them, and with us is a book that records everything.
بل كذبوا بالحق لما جاءهم فهم في أمر مريج.
Rather, they belied the truth, i.e., the Quran, when it came to them, so they are now in an unstable state of confusion.
أفلم ينظروا إلى السماء فوقهم كيف بنيناها وزيناها وما لها من فروج.
So, did they not see the sky above them? How we made it and adorned it, and there is no crack in it?
والأرض مددناها وألقينا فيها رواسي وأنبتنا فيها من كل زوج بهيج.
And how we have spread the earth and placed mountains as anchors in it, and have grown all kinds of delightful pairs of plants in it.
تبصرة وذكرى لكل عبد منيب.
An insight and an understanding for every bondsman who returns to the truth.
ونزلنا من السماء ماء مباركا فأنبتنا به جنات وحب الحصيد.
And we sent down blessed water from the sky, so we produced gardens therewith, and grain that is harvested.
والنخل باسقات لها طلع نضيد.
And made tall date trees with ripe fruit, piled over one another in layers.
رزقا للعباد وأحيينا به بلدة ميتا كذلك الخروج.
As sustenance for the bondsman, and with it, i.e., rainwater, we revived a dead city. This is how you are to emerge from the graves.
كذبت قبلهم قوم نوح وأصحاب الرس وثمود.
Before these, the people of Nuh had belied, and so did the dwellers of Ras and Thamud.
وعاد وفرعون وإخوان لوط.
And Ad and Fir'aun, and the compatriots of Lut.
وأصحاب الأيكة وقوم تبع كل كذب الرسل فحق وعيد.
And the dwellers of the woods and the people of Tubba, each one of them belied the messengers, so my promised punishment proved true.
أفعينا بالخلق الأول بل هم في لبس من خلق جديد.
So, were we exhausted by creating the first time? Rather, they are in doubt about being recreated.
ولقد خلقنا الإنسان ونعلم ما توسوس به نفسه ونحن أقرب إليه من حبل الوريد.
And indeed, we have created man, and we know what his baser self whispers to him, and we are nearer to him than his jugular vein.
إذ يتلقى المتلقيان عن اليمين وعن الشمال قعيد.
When the two account-taking angels take account from him, one seated on the right and one on the left,
ما يلفظ من قول إلا لديه رقيب عتيد.
he does not utter a single word except that there is a ready record-keeper angel seated next to him.
وجاءت سكرة الموت بالحق ذلك ما كنت منه تحيد.
And the agony of death came with the truth. This is what you were fleeing from.
ونفخ في الصور ذلك يوم الوعيد.
And the trumpet was blown. This is the day of the promised punishment.
وجاءت كل نفس معها سائق وشهيد.
And every soul came in such a manner that along with it is one angel who drives it and a witness.
لقد كنت في غفلة من هذا فكشفنا عنك غطاءك فبصرك اليوم حديد.
You were indeed neglectful of this, so we have removed the veil from you. Your eyesight is therefore sharp this day.
وقال قرينه هذا ما لدي عتيد.
And his accompanying angel said, this is the record of your deeds which is present with me.
ألقيا في جهنم كل كفار عنيد.
It will be ordered to the two angels, both of you throw every excessively ungrateful, stubborn person into hell.
مناع للخير معتد مريب.
The one who excessively forbids from virtue, the transgressor, the doubtful.
الذي جعل مع الله إلها آخر فألقياه في العذاب الشديد.
The one who associated another God along with Allah, so both of you throw him into severe punishment.
قال قرينه ربنا ما أطغيته ولكن كان في ضلال بعيد.
His accompanying devil said, Our Lord, I did not cause him to rebel. Yes, he himself was in far misguidance.
قال لا تختصموا لدي وقد قدمت إليكم بالوعيد.
He, Allah, will say, Do not dispute before me. I had already warned you of the punishment.
ما يبدل القول لدي وما أنا بظلام للعبيد.
With me, the decree does not change, and nor do I oppress the bondsman.
يوم نقول لجهنم هل امتلأت وتقول هل من مزيد.
The day when we will ask hell, Are you filled up? And it will answer, Is there some more?
وأزلفت الجنة للمتقين غير بعيد.
And paradise will be brought close to the pious, which will not be far away from them.
هذا ما توعدون لكل أواب حفيظ.
It will be said, This is paradise, what you are being promised, for everyone who repents, who guards himself against sins.
من خشي الرحمن بالغيب وجاء بقلب منيب.
Who fears the most gracious without seeing and came with a repenting heart.
ادخلوها بسلام ذلك يوم الخلود.
It will be said to them, Enter paradise in peace. This is the day of eternity.
لهم ما يشاءون فيها ولدينا مزيد.
For them there is whatever they wish, and with us there is even more than that.
وكم أهلكنا قبلهم من قرن هم أشد منهم بطشا فنقبوا في البلاد هل من محيص.
How many generations did we destroy before them who were severe than them in seizing? So, when our punishment came, they ran about in their cities for refuge. Is there a place to escape?
إن في ذلك لذكرى لمن كان له قلب أو ألقى السمع وهو شهيد.
Indeed, in this is advice for the one who has a heart or listens attentively and pays attention.
ولقد خلقنا السماوات والأرض وما بينهما في 6 أيام وما مسنا من لغوب.
And we have indeed created the heavens and the earth and whatever is between them in 6 days, and fatigue did not even approach us.
فاصبر على ما يقولون وسبح بحمد ربك قبل طلوع الشمس وقبل الغروب.
So, O beloved, be patient upon what they say, and while praising your Lord, glorify Him before the sun rises and before the sun sets.
ومن الليل فسبحه وأدبار السجود.
And glorify Him during the night and after all the salahs.
واستمع يوم ينادي المناد من مكان قريب.
And listen attentively on the day when an announcer will proclaim from a nearby place.
يوم يسمعون الصيحة بالحق ذلك يوم الخروج.
The day when they will hear the scream with the truth. This is the day to emerge from the graves.
إنا نحن نحيي ونميت وإلينا المصير.
Indeed, we give life and cause death, and towards us is the return of everyone.
يوم تشقق الأرض عنهم سراعا ذلك حشر علينا يسير.
On the day when the earth will split open above them, so they will come out in haste, this gathering is easy for us.
نحن أعلم بما يقولون وما أنت عليهم بجبار فذكر بالقرآن من يخاف وعيد.
We know well what they are saying, O beloved, and you are not the one to force them at all. Therefore, advise with the Quran, the one who fears my threat.
صدق الله العظيم.